In today's video, I will walk you through how to create a donation page with Stripe. To start creating your donation page, go to Stripe and access your account. Once you are inside your Stripe account, navigate to the More section. From the menu, locate Payment Links and select it. This will open the page where you can customize and preview your donation page. Next, go to Select Type and choose Customers Choose What to Pay. This option is used for donation pages. After selecting this option, add a title for your donation page. Enter the name of your organization, cause, or event. Then, go to the description section and add a description for your donation page. Next, go to the image section and add an image or logo for your donation page. Select the image you want to use. Review the preview of your donation form, check the page name, donation amount section, and description. After that, select the currency for your donation page. Then, choose Suggest a Present Amount and enter the amount you want to suggest. You can also set limits by adding a minimum amount and a maximum amount if needed. Next, open Advanced Options. Find the Call to Action button setting and change it from Pay to Donate. In Advanced Options, you can also add additional information to collect. Select the options you want to include based on your organization's requirements. You can choose to collect customer addresses by enabling the Address option. Select the Billing and Addresses Only option. You can also enable the option to require customers to provide a phone number. After setting the options, go to the top of the page and select Confirmation Page. Choose to show a confirmation page after the donation is completed. You can replace the default message by adding a custom message for donors to see after making a donation. You can also choose not to show a confirmation page and redirect customers to a website instead. Once your settings are complete, preview your payment page and confirmation page on desktop and mobile. When you are satisfied with your donation page, go to the top of the page and click Create Link. Your donation page will now be created. Copy the generated link and use it where needed. You have now successfully created a donation page with Stripe. Thank you for watching.